Boo Bear and Friends speech therapy learning videos.
Hey, I'm Boo Bear.
Hey, I'm Harry Horse.
Would you like to learn about the letters C and K with us? You do? Great! Did you know the letters C and K can say the K sound?
To make the K sound, we need to use our lips and our tongue.
First, touch your top lip. Next, touch your bottom lip.
Next, open your mouth wide and point to your tongue. Now you have to move your tongue back in your mouth like this.
Now say the K sound 3 times. K, K, K.
Great job making the K sound, Boo Bear. Hey, did you know that we can say 3 words that have the K sound in them?
We can. What other words can we say, Harry Horse, that have the K sound in them?
You can hear the K sound in the word cut.
You can hear the K sound in the word cup.
You can hear the K sound in the word cucumber.
Hey everyone, thank you for helping Harry Horse and I learn about and say the K sound. Now let's sing a song about the K sound.
Let's learn to say the K sound. Let's learn to say the K sound. Let's learn to say the K sound. Let's learn to say the K sound. First touch your top lip, then touch your bottom lip. Next point to your tongue and move it back like this to say the K sound. To say the K sound. K, 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 K. K, 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 K. Now you can say the K sound. Now you can say the K sound. Now you can say the K sound. So let's say the K sound again. K, 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 K. K, 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 K. Great job saying the K sound. Great job saying the K sound. Great job saying the K sound. K, 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 K. Make sure to like and share and subscribe to our channel.